Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the series AI Agents Beyond Jupyter Notebook. In this video, I'll show you all the things that you will need in order to follow along with the tutorial series. First, since we are going to use OpenAI Agents SDK, you will need OpenAI API Key. Don't worry, in testing, even $2-3 of credit will be enough. Then on your machine, you must have Python installed. We are going to use FastAPI. In order to manage Python environment and install dependencies, I am going to use UV. UV is a great tool. It helps you manage different Python version on a single machine. Since we are developing everything locally on our machine, we will need Ngrok like tool so that we can expose our local host to internet so that anyone on the internet can access our application that is running locally on the machine. Then you need to create a new bot on Telegram via this bot father application. On bot father, when you hit start, you will see these things, and with this new bot command, you can create new bot very easily on this bot father. Once you create a new bot, you will have your API key for that bot so that your program and the bot you have created on Telegram can communicate with each other. The code that I'm going to develop on this video series is available on my GitHub, and I have created branches for all the steps that we are going to take to build AI agents from start to end. Like we will set up Telegram, add a tool, add session, add media input, add hooks, guardrail, context and other branches. If you take code from my GitHub repository, consider giving it a star. That helps. So see you in the next video where we will start building the application and connecting it to the Telegram. I guess this is it from my side for this video. In the next video, we will build our Python FastAPI application and send and receive message from Telegram bot. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.